Okay, guys, I'm cranking out some videos here tonight. It's been a busy week, long, hot days. I haven't felt like doing it. It's when the weatherman says it's 92, 94 degrees with a heat index of 98. That means it's about 110 to 120 on my job site. I picked this knife up on eBay, and it looked really good on eBay, but in person it looks even better. I picked this up for $12. It's an Oldtimer camp knife. It is in pristine condition. The blade untouched, unused, unsharpened. I'm just thrilled to death with the condition of this knife. It was manufactured. Focus. It's an Oldtimer, but it's manufactured by Ulster, and it has the Boy Scouts of America engraving or laser etching on there. So I'm sure it's not super old to be using that technology, but regardless of the age, I mean, I just love this knife. It has a little bit of patina on it and a little bit of spots back here. I think I can clean up those back springs and a few little scratches on it. But other than that, this knife is absolutely gorgeous. There was a little sneak peek in the last video I posted, cleaning up that old identified camp knife. But that's one of my new babies. That's going to go in my camp knife collection. Absolutely love it. And again, it was like 12 bucks. I think it's worth every penny of that. Beautiful knife, perfect condition. So until I see you all again, have a beautiful day.